Hello YouTubers, today we're going to take a Camaro IROC Z and turn it into a gasser. Oh yeah, let's get started. Okay, we got it apart. Base, interior, windshield. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut that little thin metal strip right out of there. Put me an engine in there. That's what I'm going to do next. Just like that. Good thing about this being sore, I think I cut it. I think I cut it. Let me go get the other side here. Alright, I got them in there. Stuff off of there. Extra. Let's see what I can do that with. Let's go with this. When in doubt, go for clippers. Yeah, that's doing a trick. Alright, that's doing the trick now. Uh-oh. There's a little bit of daylight in there. Oh yeah, gives us a good something good for the engine to sit down on. Oh yeah, so that'll be all right. I got a file. Yeah. Oh, here's that. Get in here. Work on that just a tidbit. Can I put that down there? Yep. Raised up a little bit. I don't know how I did that, but that's raised up a little bit. There, it's better. Got the wheels on, took a piece of tubing, glued it underneath to make the wheels stand up so that the side pipes will fit. Okay, after doing some filing and sitting the engine in, fit really well. Went ahead and glued the side pipes on and put the wheels on it. And this is the final product. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.